Hello, I'm Arash Roshani, and I'm going to talk about my inside project, ETL automation for HiGeorge, or I should call it how I automated a two-person startup in 2 weeks. The obstacle that HiGeorge was facing was the manual ops that they had to run in the backend to pull, prune, and visualize data. And to automate their processes, I worked closely with the CTO to understand and target the pain points, and I learned the underlying mechanisms of the work, and I rapidly prototyped scalable infrastructure on top of that, meaning the kind of infrastructure that can be scaled on demand, but suits the needs of the company at the time. And I delivered the tasks on time. Long story short, we still hang out over beer. Um, about HiGeorge. HiGeorge is a pre-seed startup providing a crowdfunding platform for civic activism. They run different campaigns on their platform, and people can fund these campaigns, and HiGeorge utilizes these funds to run advertisement on social media like Facebook for a wide audience and a call for action. And then they update the users' profiles with the impact of their contributions. Now, my approach towards this project was to first learn the underlying components of the work, which was the Facebook API. I had to ingest data from Facebook, MongoDB. HiGeorge keeps track of everything on a Mongo database and Google Cloud Storage. And as soon as I was comfortable with these components, I established their cross communications on a Google Cloud virtual machine instance. And afterwards, it was time for orchestrating everything with Airflow. Now, the ETL processes at HiGeorge look like this. There are different campaigns, expenditures, and canvases, and so on the Mongo database. We want to look at the campaigns first and find the campaigns that are still active. For those campaigns, there are Facebook ads on Facebook, so we can pull data from Facebook, and from that data, we need to create some aggregated stats, and from that aggregated stats, we want to create visualizations, which is going to be dumped on the Google Cloud Storage, and we also want to update the expenditures and the canvases accordingly. Now, keep in mind that these whole process used to be done manually, and to automate it, I designed these pipelines. Airflow wakes up the script at constant time intervals. The script queries MongoDB for active campaigns, and for those active campaigns, afterwards it queries Facebook for ad insights, and it creates aggregated stats and creates the maps as well, and or the visualizations, and it dumps the visualizations on the Google Cloud Storage and updates the MongoDB for the expenditures. And the first challenge I faced was that there are different moving parts to this project. I had to get the most essential part, which was the data ingestion, right before anything else. And also about the data that Facebook returns, it looks like JSON, but it is basically JSON wrapped in Facebook objects. So I leveraged that to extract data from Facebook. And after I was comfortable with Facebook, I established communications with MongoDB and Google Cloud Storage, and afterwards it was time for Airflow. The other challenge was the layered structure of the queries. HiGeorge platform is made out of different HiGeorge campaigns. Each HiGeorge campaign is made out of different Facebook campaigns, and each Facebook campaign is made out of different Facebook ads. So instead of starting from the HiGeorge platform and building these layers afterwards, I just made sure that I can query one Facebook ad for the ad insights of that specific ad, and then I built on top of that, which is the bottom-up approach. And what's next? A possible bottleneck of the pipeline in the future can be the writes on the MongoDB. The reason is that the writes are tangibly slower in comparison to the reads. So if the number of writes increases, we need to add some sort of queue between the script and the MongoDB to stop the system from clogging. And that would be the quick fix for the situation. And about myself, I'm Arash. I received my PhD in physics from USC in December. I've got great interest in lean approaches and design thinking. And I tried to practice those disciplines in my project. And I do many things. At the time being, I'm mainly a data engineer. And I find data engineering to be a very powerful tool, which allows me to take ideas from the realm of abstraction and transform them to reality.